everybody, and welcome to Metal Menace Do-It-Yourself Projects. Today I'm going to show you how to change out wore-out drive belt in a upright vacuum. Mine is a Eureka Central Vac, so it's just a power head unit, but this same process goes for many upright vacuums. A couple things you'll need is either a screwdriver or a drill with a bit that will remove the screws out of the backside, and some new belts. For the new belts, you can find them at most hardware stores, Amazon, eBay. I was pretty surprised. I got these ones from a local vacuum shop in town, and they were significantly cheaper than the ones on Amazon. So I got two belts in here for about $8, while most on Amazon were going for $12 just for one belt. So make sure you guys are shopping around, have a good look, get the proper fit, make sure you're checking the model numbers and stuff like that, and we'll get down to business. Okay, so first thing we need to do is locate the screws that are holding the housing together. On my model, they're in the back side. There's only two screws, both of them are Phillips. Got my drill, and I'll remove the two screws. Then what you want to do, flip it back over and pop the top off. Now we got a couple big dogs. Our power head has seen much better days, but until it completely gives out, we'll continue using it. While we're in here, we'll clean out, we get some dog hair hanging around, some dust. We'll clean that out before we put it all back together. Right here is our drive belt, and as you can see, it's been better shape. A lot of little pieces broken out of it. I'll give you guys a glimpse here. So you can tell it's pretty wore out. Shined up on the inside means it's been slipping, chunks coming out of it. Yeah, that belt's pretty much done. So we'll put in a new one. Now before we put anything back together, put the new belt in, I said I was going to clean it out, so I'll grab the vacuum, clean out the unit, wipe down any internals, check on the wiring and stuff, and then we'll reassemble. Okay, now that I got everything vacuumed up, just gonna check the wiring, make sure they're not cracked, broken, everything's good on the motor. Brushes look good, motor spins freely. There's no dust collecting in here, building up or around the brushes. Looks pretty good. Everything's nice and tight, which is good. Perfect. So now what we'll do is I'll put the dust guard back over top of the motor, just like that, and we'll get ready to install the new belt. So one thing you can see here, how much this belt has stretched out, and the reason why it's spinning. This one's much smaller, looks to be in a lot better shape. Looks a lot better. Okay. So, install the belt onto your brush system. Now mine has an alignment pin on the side, goes in just like that. That's the bottom and that's the top. Just like that. Next step is to install the belt onto the motor. Give it a couple spins, it'll help the belt center up on itself. There we go. On our cover, we got this kind of window here. You can see on the belt it's got the dots. So when you're running the vacuum, you should be able to see the dots going by pretty fast in here. It's pretty dirty. I'm gonna give it a quick wipe with some Windex and a paper towel. Okay, next step is reassembly. Everything's looking good, no wires to pinch. Our brush is in. Put the top cover on. Snaps into place. Make sure all your seams are tight all the way around and on the back side. Flip back over and reinstall our screws. Now if you're going to use a drill, make sure you're setting your drill to the ratchet system. Oh, 9 should be good. Get that one started. Get your next one started. And then tighten. There we go. And I'll just make sure I do a quick little hand torque with a handheld screwdriver. Make sure they're tight. Good. Good. There you have it. Pretty quick, simple way to change the drive belt by yourself in your head. Like half price, $4 for one belt. Didn't have to take it to the vacuum shop where you probably pay $20 to $40 to get them to do it. It's a very simple process. Took me, what, about 10 minutes or so to do it. All right, guys, if you have any questions, if you got any comments, leave them down below. Make sure you're hitting that like and subscribe button so you guys are getting the notifications on the new videos and the future projects. Have a good day.